On page 112, number 19, we're given this image here with the information that this point to this point is 8 centimeters away, and that the height from this top part all the way to the bottom over here is 4 centimeters. So what I'm about to do is draw in red a Cartesian graph, and I'm going to center the origin at the bottom of the point of this drawing over here. What looks like is the bottom point here. And I do this because it just makes the math a little bit easier if your square root functions start from 0, 0. So basically my h and k are 0, 0. So from what I know, this over here is 4, and over here on the side is negative 4, because I have 8 as a distance and it's symmetric. So I cut this in half, and so I have 4 to the right and negative 4 to the left. And because the height, according to this, because the height is 4, then this point over here is really just 0.44, and this point over here is actually just negative 4, 4. And that's enough information to find the rule of this of either function. I'll write the rule in green. So since the function over here on the right hand side is going this way, we know that the b is going to be positive. So I'm going to write positive 1 under the square root. And so what I have is y, fix that up, y equals a times the square root of positive 1 times x. H and k are 0, so I'm not going to write them. And then all I have to do is plug in the value of a point, for example the 0.44, into my coordinates x and y, and solve for a. So I have 4 equals a times the square root of 4, which is basically 4 equals 2a, which means a equals 2. So now I know that my rule is y equals 2 root x. Now if you do the exact same thing on the other side, you're going to find out that the equation over here is y equals 2 root negative x. Now negative because I know that my equation is, I know my square root function is moving to the left, so that means the b has to be negative. So I've got the two equations. Now all you have to do basically is find out what is this point over here, what is this point over here, and calculate the distance between them. Same thing for the smaller line down there. What are these 2 points and what's the distance between them? And the way you do this is simply by, well, you know that the height over here is, at the top is 4, so that 1 centimeter lower means that this must be 3. So if that's 3, then you know that y is 3, but you're looking for x. So if you're looking for x, you plug in 3 into here. We have 3 equals 2 times the square root of x, and you solve for x. And basically what that gives you is 9 over 4 equals x. And if you tried that on the other side, you'll see you'd get negative 9 over 4 equals x. So if this is negative 9 over 4, and if this is 9 over 4, then the distance between them is 9 halves, which is 4.5 centimeters. So the distance between the 2 points on the longer line is 4.5 centimeters. I think that's enough for you guys to finish this problem on your own. If you're still having trouble with this, come see me at lunch.